It just missed the right hand. That time
That was a
beautiful
knockdown.
left
That's a
hand.
knockdown.
There. Oh, that big left hand.
But big knock straight up. It's down. And I think it's out. It's over.
Noong August 24, 2019, dumayong matigas at matangkad na Mexicano na si Cesar Ramirez Lora sa Pilipinas para subukang agawin ang titulo ni Janrel Casimero sa harap mismo ni Manny Pacquiao at ng libo-libong Pinoy fans. Walang takot siyang nakipagdigma at ilang beses na nailagay sa alanganin si Cuadro Alas. Pero isang maling galaw lang ang hinintay ni Casimero para ipakita kung bakit isa siya sa pinakamapanganib na knockout artist ng Pilipinas. Para maintindihan natin ang matinding tensyon sa gabing iyon, balikan muna natin ang naging paglalakbay ng dalawang mandirigma. Si Janrel Casimero ay dumaan sa isa sa pinakamadilim na yugto ng kanyang karera matapos siyang matalo sa IBF title eliminator match laban kay Jonas Sultan noong September 2017. Marami ang nagduda kung makakabangon pa ba siya, pero pag-akyat niya sa bantamweight division, agad niyang pinatunayan ang sarili nang pabagsakin niya si Ricardo Espinosa at masungkit ang interim WBO bantamweight title. At ang laban na ito kay Cesar Ramirez ang kanyang unang pagdepensa para sa interim WBO bantamweight title. Hindi rin basta-bastang kalaban si Cesar Ferico Ramirez. Dala niya ang impresibong record na 18 wins, 11 by knockout at 3 talo lamang. Malinaw na isa siyang seryosong banta sa titulo ni Janrel Casimero. Sanay na si Cesar Ramirez na lumaban sa bakuran ng kalaban at may bentahe pa siya sa taas at reach kumpara kay Cuadro Alas. Para sa Mexicano, ang laban na ito ang pinakamalaking oportunidad ng kanyang karera. Pagkakataong pabagsakin ng dating world champion at maiuwi ang corona sa Mexico. Mas lalo pang tumaas ang stakes ng laban dahil ang mananalo ay ang magiging mandatory challenger ni Solani Tete para sa WBO World Bantamweight Championship. Sa official weigh-in, agad na tumimbang si Cesar Ramirez ng 117.6 pounds pasok sa 118 pounds bantamweight limit. Samantalang lumampas si Janrel Casimero sa 118-pound limit kaya binigyan pa siya ng karagdagang oras para maabot ang tamang timbang. Pagtalo pa lang ng bell, agad nang ginamit ni Cesar Ramirez ang kanyang bentahe sa taas at reach. Sunod-sunod ang kanyang jabs para kontrolin ang distansya habang maingat namang naghahanap ng tiyempo si Janrel Casimero.
You see that Ramirez is a very wiry, long-limbed fighter.
See Ramirez, they're using his height advantage there with a jab early on. Down in weight, he has fought in the 122-pound division in his last 3 fights, I believe, and has come down to challenge Casimero here in the 118-pound division.
Casimero looking to shorten the distance between him and Ramirez. He's moving in, looking to...
Well, you know, yesterday he said he's a very versatile fighter. He can be a puncher, he can be a boxer. Moves well, got boasted of power from both hands. Let's see as we get into the last minute of this first round. Oh, you can see both of them just like, with so much energy.
But right now, Ramirez step back. Now missing with a shot. He looks very tentative at this stage.
Yes.
We're talking of Ramirez.
And of course, Cuadro Alas, the Filipino, trained alongside Manny Pacquiao in Los Angeles and in Las Vegas when Manny was preparing for the Keith Thurman fight. Run with him, did some mitts with him. Oh yeah, very tentative.
Free to the public.
Free to the public. Here we
Yeah.
go. Round 2. Casimero, the Filipino, is the interim WBO world champion, fighting to hopefully get a chance to be regular champion. And
That long reach, Diane, of Ramirez may be a bit of a problem here for Casimero. It's Casimero's pressure. He needs to put a lot of pressure on Ramirez, put him on his back foot, put him against the ropes, and get Ramirez to fight the tempo of Casimero.
I think
Got an all-star cast here among our judges.
yes. So Casimero was formerly the light flyweight title from 2012 to 2014. He also held the IBF flyweight title, which he vacated to move up in weight. Now hoping to get a chance to be a world champion.
Important that he gets his timing on track so that his reflexes are able to react very quickly to whatever up
Casimero must be loving this fighting in front of his hometown.
went 12 rounds. So this guy is used to going the distance. He's a survivor.
Missing on the right. But Ramirez trying to be more aggressive now, Quinito, but still missing. Slip.
There's a slip.
Sa round 3 lalo pang uminit ang bakbakan. Hindi na nag-aksaya ng oras si Casimero at agad na pumasok sa loob. Pilit binabasag ang depensa ni Ramirez sa gitna ng ring.
Hello to all our viewers from around the world. Also hello to Mrs. Jinky Pacquiao, who I hear is watching with good friend Roy Bacalso. And also to my good friend En Tolentino.
Nice over. He wants to throw bombs. That's Casimero's style.
Yep. And he wants to win impressively in front of his countrymen.
Now he's measuring his opponent. He's moving in, but he's got to be careful. Ramirez looking to counter.
Quick movements there from Casimero.
May mahigit 1 minuto pang natitira sa round 3 nang makakita ng opening si Casimero. Isang malinis na counter right hand ang tumama kay Ramirez at napaluhod ang Mexicano sa lona.
Time. And Ramirez says, you know, then spot Quinito, you can't help yourself. You just go down as we saw. Now Casimero looking.
I thought it was an excellent feint by Casimero. Kind of for the first knockdown in the fight.
Beautiful variation from the Filipino, Casimero. Last 27 seconds left in round 3.
And you also like the patience here of Casimero. He's not
So happy to see Casimero focused and really waiting for the right.
He has not lost in his last 6 fights. His last loss was in 2016, 3 years ago, in a decision loss to Ryan Burnett in England. But Casimero is not throwing any jabs. He's looking for a big punch. He's looking for the killer blow.
Yeah.
Well, you know, this round is up for grabs.
Yep.
Whoever is able to throw more punches
Ramirez
here towards the end
right.
can get this round.
10 seconds.
Actually, this is a good round for Ramirez.
Yes.
I will give him this round.
Pagdating ng round 5, sa gitna ng palitan ay tila nadula si Ramirez at napaluhod sa lona. Pero kahit nagreklamo ang Mexicano, itinuring iyon ng referee bilang knockdown. Halatang bumagal rin ang galaw ni Casimero dahil sa matinding weight cut. Sinamantala naman ito ni Ramirez at mas naging agresibo sa kanyang opensa.
Seen it very clearly because he was very decisive in making that call. He
2 knockdowns for the Filipinos so far. Nice right hook there.
That's a big one. That's a big punch.
Casimero, another right.
Oh,
What a
nice
nice,
shot.
wow, solid right from the Mexican. Ooh.
Now that got Casimero's attention.
Yeah. This is getting interesting, Canito.
And both fighters now throwing bombs.
Whoa.
This is the kind of action down.
Yeah,
In
he's
the same
going to want to
round.
get back.
Casimero now backpedaling.
Yeah, you would think that Casimero
Progresses.
Well, he needs to.
Yeah, he
He
did
needs
go
to catch
down.
up.
He did go down early in this round, but he did also catch Casimero with some nice combinations. There he is, throwing his left and right. Casimero's holding on.
Ooh, Casimero with his back against the ropes gets out. Ramirez last 10 seconds of the round.
Pagpasok ng round 6, bumawi si Ramirez gamit ang sunod-sunod na jabs at volume punching. Habang halatang nagtitipid ng lakas si Casimero, mas agresibong ipinipilit ng Mexicano ang kanyang opensa.
But towards the end of round number 5, Ramirez came on strong.
There's a solid left from Casimero. He tries to follow it up.
Now Ramirez is within Casimero's sights. That's where he wants Ramirez.
Crowd getting behind Casimero.
Ramirez needs some distance. A nice shot to the body by Casimero that time. See, when there's distance, Ramirez is able to use his reach to tag Casimero, so Casimero has to come.
1 minute to go in round 6.
You know, the way I see it, Casimero is conserving his energy for that big, really looking to load up. Just one big punch to
Looking
put the
for that-
Mexican away.
Right.
Oh,
Ooh,
nice shot.
that was a big right
Ramirez.
from Ramirez.
That time
Oh,
he had his
another
distance.
right. Oh, Ramirez now pouring it on.
Big round here for Ramirez. Casimero backtracking. And Casimero forced to hold on.
Yeah, you can see he's feeling these punches and whoa. Mexican corner getting really excited. Another strong right from the Mexican. Pouring it on, Kenita, right here.
Big round here for Ramirez. That time Casimero throwing the right hand.
Crowd loving the action.
This fight is not going to go to distance.
No,
Nice
both
shot.
Sa round 7, bumalik ang agresibong anyo ni Cuadro Alas. Agad niyang isinara ang distansya at nakipagpalitan ng suntok para mabawi ang kontrol sa laban.
this bout.
Again, Casimero needs to come closer to Ramirez. Throwing the left jab any longer. He's also looking for that one punch. He knows that he's down.
Yeah, he has to come up with something big.
Exactly. He's been down twice. He knows
Oh!
he's on points.
Wow!
There we go.
That was a solid right from Casimero. And Ramirez holds on. Whoa!
Both fighters are down.
Wala nang isang minuto ang natitira sa round 7 nang muling pabagsakin ni Casimero si Ramirez gamit ang isang malakas na right hand at sa ikatlong pagkakataon bumagsak ang Mexicano.
They're going to call a knockdown.
Wow!
A solid
Casimero.
flurry.
Wow.
Referee didn't see it.
We still have 33 seconds in this round and Casimero is trying to finish off his opponent. But the Mexican is fighting.
I think Ramirez has very little left. Another big punch coming from Casimero. There's blood.
Oh man, this is all heart now
Yeah.
for the Mexican. Whoa! Another, oh boy!
One more big punch, and this could be it.
And the crowd is on its feet here at the San Andres Sports Complex in Manila.
Ramirez,
Couple of big ones to
he's
finish
looking for
off.
the coup de grace. He's looking to end this fight. Oh, nice shot there by Ramirez.
Ramirez fights back.
Oh, look at Ramirez.
What a heart. Mexican warrior.
Yeah, both these fighters, I think, are out to catch their breath.
Oh, solid
Nice.
uppercut. Casimero.
Casimero is moving in, but he can't get careless. Casimero has a tendency to open up once he moves in, and Ramirez is a very smart fighter.
Crowd is loving this fight. Left and right combo from Casimero to the body. It's Ramirez coming forward, but he gets tagged by Casimero. His calves. He's letting his hands go, but not much power behind that shot. But he wants to stay busy to signal to Casimero that he's still in this fight. Well, you know the tremendous energy it needs to let out those punches
shot.
in boxing. Oh, that was a solid right from
Right hand, and Casimero.
answers back. Beautiful upstairs hitting from the.
Casimero, this is turning out to be a battle of attrition. Although Casimero way ahead on points at this stage with 3 knockdowns scored in 3 different rounds.
Round 9.
Ramirez is showing he still got it. He still has some stuff left.
Tremendous durability and heart. I mean, we thought he was almost going with, what was that, round 7?
Been bloodied. He's had difficulty breathing from the nose and from the mouth. but he's still standing up. He's still throwing. That's Cesar Ramirez, the Mexican gladiator.
Now Ramirez
nice shot.
connecting with the left and the uppercut.
Casimero looking a little shaky here,
Oh boy, what a fight.
taking some shots,
Casimero
taking really deep breaths.
yes.
And he was gasping. So again, stamina, resistance. Is he in condition to go 12 rounds? He had difficulty making the weight in yesterday's weigh-in.
Right, and Ramirez having to come down in weight. Ramirez trying to go to the body.
It's been all Ramirez in this round. Casimero just looking to hold on. That time he scored with a left hand. Scored with a nice left hand
Got the mouthpiece off again.
to get a warning from the referee. But if a punch dislodges a mouthpiece, just like what happened, no warning.
Strong body shot there from Casimero, and Ramirez holds on. Referee breaks them up.
Now maybe that's what Casimero needs to do. Attack the body.
Yeah.
Pagpasok ng round 10, ibinuhos na ni Janrel Casimero ang lahat ng natitira niyang lakas. Pero sa kabila ng 3 knockdown, patuloy pa ring sumusugod at lumalaban ng matibay na Mexicano.
Well, you know, this is very reflective of the Mexico versus Filipino duels.
And what about this body attack now?
Oh, boy.
By John Riel Casimero.
He seems to want to finish the fight in this round. Can he do it?
Ramirez seems to be folding up here.
But he's fighting back.
When he's taking those shots
Oh,
to the midsection, he's grimacing in pain.
Giving it his all as another attack here. Less than 2 minutes in round 10.
I really think Ramirez is feeling the hurt
Yes.
on his body.
There's a... Oh,
Ramirez is not throwing too many punches now. He's fighting defensively. He's looking to survive. But if you're Casimero, you can't be too careful. Those punches being thrown by Ramirez have no impact whatsoever.
yeah, he's
He's lost his
just
sting.
going through the motions.
Yeah.
Clearly
The sting is gone.
winded. Cesar Ramirez. But he's still letting his hands go. Oh, wobbly legs.
He's ready to go.
Oh, Casimero just itching to launch here.
Sa mga huling segundo ng round 10, pinakawalan ni Casimero ang isang mabilis na left uppercut na sinundan ng malakas na right hook. Bumagsak si Ramirez sa lona at tuluyang nawala ng malay. At dito, agad na itinigil ng referee ang laban.
Down, it's down, it's down. And I think it's out. It's over.
That's it.
Oh, what a
Well, we knew it was happening.
beautiful ending to this fight.
We knew it was gonna happen.
Dahil sa knockout na iyon, matagumpay na naidepensa ni Casimero ang kanyang titulo at opisyal na naging mandatory challenger ni Sulani Tete para sa WBO World Bantamweight Championship.